Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard error van missing 117. So this error usually happens if there's no Vanguard enabled or it doesn't run, or if it's been disabled by some program in the background. So first thing you want to do is check if your Vanguard is running. Right click on taskbar, go task manager, and in here type in Vanguard. And you should see it like here, either both of these or like at least one. And if it's not here, that means it's closed. So you should perform a clean boot to enable it. To do that, you go to search and type in run. Once in run, open it, type in this services.msc, click OK. Once you're in here, you can click anywhere here and then press V on your keyboard, or click on either one of these just once and then press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Double click on it, and if it says here it's disabled or in manual mode, you should put it in automatic and then click start. And it will load the bar, and then you click apply. Okay, and then you have to restart your PC and then try relaunching Valorant. That should fix your issue. If that doesn't work, you can go to uninstall programs, either remove programs, and then in here find the Riot Vanguard and fully uninstall it and then reinstall it again, and that should also fix your issue. And after that, try relaunching Valorant, but first make sure to restart the PC after installation and the game should work. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Hopefully this helped. Bye bye.